Spoštovani, prisrčen pozdrav tudi z komentatorskega mesta stadiona z dežele v soncem obsijanem Celju. Pred nami pa je uvodna tekma 16. kroga Prve lige Telemach. Državni prvaki Celjani gostijo Koper. Kvesič. Edmilson v sredino, Brnič ima priložnost, Celjani vodijo. Ivan Brnič, 15. minuta, prvo priložnost so Celjani spremenili v vodstvo. Ivan Brnič, tretji njegov gol v prvenstvu. Je to zdaj v prodoru, Kvesič, Brnič še vedno, odločil se je za strel, ki pa ni bil natančen. Vrat Ivan Brnič. Popovič. Matondo preigrava, Matondo pred vrata, ki so zdaj prazna in zgrešil je Niko Mladić. Napaka Štubljarja, ki mu je žoga ušla in celjska vrata so ostala prazna. Sešlar še vedno podaja do Matka. Matko pred vrata, Jurkar odbija, Brnič pa v prečko. Neverjetno, kaj je zdaj zapravil Brnič, verjetno še lepša priložnost od tiste Omladiča pred nekaj trenutki na drugi strani. Celjani so zdaj pri njej, Karničnik, krasna podaja proti Matku. Matko gre sam, brani Jurkar, vendarle malce preveč po sredini vrat, tule Aljoša Matko. El Mansuri. Napaka zdaj El Mansurija, Sešlar do žoge, Njeto ima priložnost, Njeto v sredino in prek vrat Tamar Svetlin. Še ena super priložnost za Celjane. V bloku Nemanič in spet je razčistil Njeto, dolga podaja proti Matku. Matko in pa Matko priložnost za Celjane. Krasno zdaj Matko, Brnič ima priložnost, Brnič v sredini je Sešlar in Jurkar uspešnejši. Tudi tole so Celjani zapravili. Sešlar, Njeto. Sešlar in Koper, krasna kombinacija, Sešlar še vedno, Sešlar ima priložnost, Sešlar strelja in brani Jurkar, žogo je odbil čez gol v kot. Brnič, Svetlin, nova celjska priložnost, Tamar Svetlin in obramba Jurkarja, potem je pomagala še vratnica, ostaja 1:0.
Hvala, Miha, za besedo. Albert Riera je v moji družbi. Mr. Riera, the win is here. You are equal with Koper on points, but how did you see the game? A lot of opportunities. You had possession, you had everything. Maybe just goal number 2 was missing. How did you see the match?
Yeah, congratulations for the Celje. 3 points. But I'm never satisfied enough. I'm always saying that for me, the result is the consequence to do a lot of good things. You have to do a lot of good things. We could do better. For me today, the difference was the finishing. Today we were more or less good on finishing. We could finish 4 or 5-0, maybe 1. They have a few chances. But for me, also before that we were talking because on this game they were 3 points more than us, Koper. We are just looking on ourselves. Now we have a challenge between us with the players to try to win all the games, and we are focused on our. And we are talking about the others or or what they are doing the others. I think what we have to be is focus, consistent. Football is not about to win one game, 2, 3. It's not about to win during 2 months or 3 months. The difference between champions and the others, that at the end we will see where are the others end of the season, is the consistency. Life is about consistency. You need to do it every single day. It doesn't matter if you are winning, you are losing. When we are losing, I'm even more hungry, and that's the difference, that the team, they are convinced that we can do it, and we will try to win every single game.
You mentioned consistency. I'm sure that you want to be consistent in the defense today. Clean sheet. We talked a lot about.
A lot. Yeah. We talk a lot, and also I said now to the boys that today was the first day that on the video meeting that I'm doing with them, that it's something so important, the clean sheet. No, we don't need to repeat it. We know to win games, for example, like today, that we had 10, 12 clear chances, and you don't score more than 2 or 3 goals. With 1-0 you can win, but for this you need a clean sheet. You need to work properly, and it's not only the goalkeeper or the defensive line, is all the team together. So they were doing a good job, but we concede 2 or 3 chances, and we concede always 1 or 2 goals. So today we did the job, and without mentioning it, so we will not talk about this anymore. We know that is our responsibility. We have to do it, and if you have a clean sheet, you have a lot of possibilities to win. Yeah.
Your opponent feels that the referee was on your side. How do you see that?
Made me laugh to see some faces here after the game that talking about this. We won in the game, in the pitch. Clearly, you can see the superiority of one team to the other. Who said that it has no superiority? It's maybe it's watching another kind of game. No problem. It's opinion of everyone. For me, I could see that we are superior, and we show it. We could show with the score, with the bigger score. But at the end of the season, we are talking about this. I mean, the first part of the season. I am here in Slovenia almost 3 years, and these teams at the end they are finishing 15, 20, 30 points behind the champion. So. Is this kind of difference because of the referee? I don't think so. So let's make the job to the referees. Let's make everyone our job. My job is to try to help the players from my line, that they improve, they progress in the game, and they play well. President and sport director, they should be upstairs making their job. The players, we need to enjoy with them showing a show, and with this kind of thing, we are not helping Slovenian football. If we want to help, let's think on football. Let's progress. I can see that in the last 2-3 years, Slovenian football is going to another level. But the pitch, I think the most important, the dancing floor is the green. So we need to show there, and Celje is doing their job, and I hope the others also doing the job on the green without talking about something else. Just trying to be better than the opponent in the green.
Because of that, let's talk about football again. We will be together on Thursday against Jagiellonian Conference League. Conference League is a reward for the victories in the Prva Liga. But what to do in the Europe on Thursday? What can we expect from Celje?
To enjoy this kind of game, to enjoy Europe, you need to win the league. That's why it's so important to win the league, to focus on the league. But it's true that we have another beautiful European night on Thursday. We will try to enjoy it. And to enjoy, I know only one way in football, is to try to be better than the opponent. How? There can be some phases without the ball, defending, of course. Many times you have to defend well. But how enjoying the players is with the ball. So we will try to be better than the opponent with the ball. We will try, when we don't have the ball, we'll try to recover as fast as possible and defend well.
And you will have to be better at taking your chances in attack than today.
Tomorrow they don't have regeneration, they have finishing in front of the goal. Where we can be better, of course, always we can be better, but it's a situation that they know better than me what they have to do, but you need sometimes a little bit calm. You need to finish the actions, and then the game, it could be different if you have another score, no? But at the end, it can happen one corner, can happen 1 second ball that you concede a goal, and football is like this. I don't like to play with fire, because sometimes you get burned, but in general I'm satisfied, but never enough. I cannot tell them how nice they are. If not, tomorrow they don't have this motivation. What we have to work, no? So I told them, congratulations, we did this and this well, but we have something as well. We have to improve. So tomorrow again, if I say that you are perfect, they don't need the coach, and I need the job. So let's work together and keep improving.
Kako ste videli tekmo, vaša dominacija, veliko priložnosti, na koncu zaslužena zmaga, ampak ste pa vseeno trpeli v določenih trenutkih?
Ja, res je, lahko rečem, da je bila danes ena dokaj odprta tekma z obeh strani, tako mi kot Koper smo imeli svoje določene priložnosti. Mi bi mogoče lahko tekmo že nekako mirnejše pripeljali do tega zaključnega dela, ampak na koncu najbolj pomembno, da smo zmagali, da so točke ostale v Celju in da koncu v dolgem času tudi clean sheet. Ne.
Vidim okrvavljeno koleno, to je vse v žaru borbe, karkoli boli ali?
Ne, evo, lahko rečem sedaj, da rehabilitacija kolena potekala dobro, tako da to je tudi koncu drugo koleno, tako da ni problema, se bo uredilo vse to do naslednje tekme.
Igrišče je zdržalo, vse tako je bilo videti z roba igrišča, pred tekmo nekaj skrbi za voljo četrtkovega obračuna, kako je zdaj igrišče?
Ne, igrišče mislim, da je v dobrem stanju, so tu vse osebje naredilo vse, da se je lahko tekma odigrala v najboljših možnih pogojih in zato verjamem, da bo tudi četrtek igrišče dobro.
Morda še eno bolj neugodno vprašanje, ne morem mimo tega, Koperčani so dejali, da ne bodo prišli na izjave, zato ker čutijo, da je bilo sojenje zelo enostransko.
Pa to je, bom rekel, v njihovi domeni, tako so se oni odločili, ampak konec konca jaz mislim, da je bila vseeno ena dobra tekma z obeh strani, tako oni so imeli priložnosti kot mi in na koncu, ja, lahko rečem, da smo mi tudi nekako bi lahko zabili, ja, tudi na 2-0 smo imeli situacijo 1-1 in mislim, da zasluženo zmagali.